大家好 ，Hello everybody. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. 大家好，大家好，大家好 is a Taiwanese word for hello everybody. Hello everybody. 大家好 ，something like that. It's a Taiyu. It's another good day to ride a bike, eh? Don't you think? It's a clear day. No rain. 我今天呢比较晚起来。Today I woke up late. I woke up like 7:30. 7点半早上，太晚了啦。那骑脚踏车太晚了啦。It's kind of late going out for a bike ride now. Because it's summer, you know. 一定要提早起来，这样子没有那么热。You know, it shouldn't be hot if you go out early in the morning, like 5:30. 我今天又太晚起来了，我出发就8点。Alas 8 na ako umalis ng bahay, so 太热了。现在就33度 ，OK。我们今天呢要去东眼山国家森林。We're going to 东眼山 National Forest Park. 哎，加油加油！谁加油我？加油 means 加油 is a Chinese word which means add oil or add gas because you're running out of gas, just like me right now. 我刚出发哎，人绕一圈了啊！加油！拜拜，拜拜。我是中立人，所以我在往大溪来的。So yeah, I came from Zhongli. Oh my god, I'm breathing hard. So going to DongYuanShan is I'll take the road tree to Dashi, from Dashi to Dashi. Yeah. Okay. 你很急哦，你赶着回家啊，是不是？对啊，赶着回家。哦，你看，顾小孩是吗？你刚去哪里？去到哪里？台气，然后再这样。台气哦 ，OK， 绕个1000了哈，很好 ，good。加油！哎呀，加油啦！ arrive at the start of the climb. 北义山 On the way up to 东眼山，这个是要往东眼山国家森林。Is it right? 东眼山 National Forest Forest Park. So going up there. Everybody says this is a hard climb. Let's try it. But no, I've done it before. But now with a vlog. 应该会很难。要拜录音。Hello, hello, welcome to 东眼山。啊，有点难。It's going to be hard. Good luck to me, okay? I'll see you on the flip side, eh? 我们等下在上面见 ，OK? 100 meters is already 10% gradient, you know that? 啊！哦，真的有点难。你看，下蛋那个 ，and my legs are feeling it already. 等一下，变速，shift gear。啊！真的有点难呢。I'll film later, okay? 我等一下。Hello. 我不能讲话了啊！还没有1公里 ，only 500 meters. I'll see you later. 啊，好累啊！现在有一点病路一点点 ，It's the flat part of the climb， 可以休息一下啊，休息一下嘛 ，take a rest， ipahinga natin ang paa， baka bubulikatin na， 快要麻了，有朋友要下来。That is a big eagle. 你们看得到吗 ？What is Chinese of eagle? I don't know. 大鸟 ，big bird. 大鸟 It's so big. 好大 ！Fly free, bird. Fly free. 还有 one more， 还有 one more。嗨，吃完午餐了。哦。在这里，往这边。Here。 DongYuanShan National Forest Recreation Area. There you go. 东眼山国家森林。53分钟。So yeah, we arrived. We are here at 东眼山 already. 已经到了，是东眼山国家森林。Those 3 characters I can't read in Chinese. 有人要来这里的话，东眼山找那个地方，东眼山国家森林。If you guys want to come here, just find DongYuanShan National Forest. Click it on Google, you will find it. Wow, who is this guy? 啊，好厉害，好快，好快！你往哪里骑的？我往哪里骑？第三，北第三，我是另外一边。往哪里开始？哇，哎，第三，好像是。是吗？这里？像是the other one。我知道加油右边下来。I'm pretty sure he has a Strava, so look at it, he's pedaling so fast, so very fast. 加油，加油，加油！加油！哎，是你 ，your girlfriend is here. Hi Leslie. Lady is here. Hello. Long time no see. Very long time. 有。很香啊，他是一个 monster climber. No. Bye bye. Thank you. Yeah, it's nice to see her. Hey, let's get some fresh water, huh? 南边的，那边就是变40度了，就不好喝了。大概是几而已啊？啊？没有。啊，很干净哎！对啊，很干净。So good. 好冰，lamig. Lamig. So nga dumadaan ng DongYuanShan dito sa Malala.